Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways, and the first one is much more user-friendly because it is simply in the settings, and the second one requires opening a hidden mode. Alright, so let's start with the easier one. Let's go to the settings first of all, then scroll all the way down and find System Update, and tap on the two dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap. Then go to Upgrade Settings, and here we've got two options which are connected with the automatic update. The first one is here, so auto download update packages over Wi-Fi, which is quite a good option because your device will download it, and then after that it will show you that it was accomplished, and you will have to manually confirm that you want to update the system. However, here we've got even better option, which is called Smart Upgrade, and basically not only your device will auto download the packages, but also it will install them between 1 and 5 at night when your device is idle. So basically when you're sleeping. Thanks to it, you won't waste the time for waiting during a day in the situation where you'll probably need to use your device. So that's a really nice option, and I highly recommend simply tapping on this first switcher. As you can see, this automatic download will disappear, but that's okay. Everything is included in the Smart Upgrade. And now the second way, which is more advanced, but to be honest, if you'll do that, it's totally enough. But if you wish to do another thing, you can go back to the settings, go to About Phone, here scroll and go to the version info, and here we've got the software information, version, and now we have to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. And be aware, because if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and go to System Management and tap on Developer Options. Let me turn them on just by tapping on the switcher here and tap on OK. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates. So simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and everything will happen in the background, so you will not even notice. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.